Hello everybody, we're here at Thousand Islands Toyota. My name is Dawson and today we're going to be looking at the 2021 Toyota Corolla LE front-wheel drive. This vehicle comes with a 1.8 liter four-cylinder engine that produces 139 horsepower and 126 foot-pounds of torque. Comes with a set of 16-inch steel wheels, a nice metallic silver color. Looks fantastic. So it comes with blind spot monitoring. Let's take a look on the inside. So what we can see here on the passenger side is that even with the base model, we have a absolutely awesome interior, super comfortable fabric seats, which are both heated, by the way. Really nice dash, a nice big touchscreen infotainment setup. This is a fantastic deal. Bang for your buck wise, you cannot beat the value that a Corolla has to offer. It's fantastic. Looks really, really good. You've got keyless entry. Even for a smaller car, still has a lot of leg and headroom that it offers. It's got nice armrest / cup holders there for whoever's in the back. You've got the connections here for the car seats on both sides, and we have the Toyota Safety Sense 2 in here as well, so a lot of safety features that this offers, especially for a base package. Alright, so here we are at the rear of the vehicle, and as you can see, we've got a couple different sets of mats for the different seasons, and this is actually a really deep trunk. Lots of room in here for the size. Toyota's absolutely nailed it in terms of utilizing as much space as possible. Like for the size of vehicle, this is a huge trunk, so you can fit a lot in here, and at the same time, the seats do fold forward, so if you need even more space, that is possible. The release for the trunk is actually located right beside the driver's seat, down on the floor, or you can use your remote, and all you have to do is press and hold down the trunk button and it will release as well. So a couple different options there, but overall really, really nice for, once again, the base package. This is a really, really good value vehicle. Alright, so here we are in the driver's seat, and as you can see, we've got a nice little dash here with the speedometer and the RPM gauge, along with the multi-information display, which can be accessed via the steering wheel. So you have your different settings for the Toyota Safety Sense features, any messages that pop up, digital speedometer, your fuel economy, so lots of different things here. And at the same time, we also do have the audio and Bluetooth via the steering wheel, along with our Toyota Safety Sense settings. We've got 2 of them here, and then our cruise control as well. So a good amount of features. Once again, we have the auto high beams, we've got the wiper de-icers, and sorry, down below, so that's the trunk release and the gas cap release as well, that I was speaking of earlier. And then we have a 8-inch touchscreen for a base model. So really, really nice to have, especially, like I said, for a base model. We've got the physical buttons on the sides, along with the tuning knobs. And then, of course, you get the touchscreen as well. So you got AM, FM, USB, Bluetooth. You also have access to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is a huge, huge selling point as well, especially in regards to, entertainment. Then we have the climate control, so we've got a really nice climate control system here. Very easy to use, very user-friendly for sure. And then down below we have a nice little space for your phone, a little cubby, I guess you could say, and the heated seats that I spoke of earlier. So really nice as well for the base model. We've got the traction control, we've got a nice shifter here, along with our cup holders, and then we've got a nice amount of space here in the center console with a USB charging port and a 12-volt 120-watt power supply. So you really can't beat the value that you get, and you also have a backup camera on this as well, which is included with almost all of Toyota's models now. So really nice there. So this offers a ton of features for the selling point. And at the end of the day, it's this is a serious contender when you're talking value. I absolutely think this is a fantastic vehicle. It's incredibly comfortable. It's super good on gas. And like I said, at the end of the day, you still have a lot of features that you would find on an upgraded package within our base package. So it's definitely a worthwhile vehicle for you to consider, and it's something that you guys should come check out here at Thousand Islands Toyota and take for a test drive, or just sit inside and see for yourselves. So there you have it, folks. There's the 2021 Toyota Corolla LE front-wheel drive. This is a fantastic vehicle for the price. I cannot stress that enough. Honestly, at the end of the day, it's a perfect commuting vehicle, or a really good long-distance vehicle because of its fuel economy. And with all the features you get for a base model, it is something that you guys should seriously consider if you're looking for a new vehicle that you're not going to spend an arm and a leg on and still get a lot with. So come on down to Thousand Islands Toyota and let us help you find the vehicle you're looking for.